we want to rotate a list one step to the left. Every element moves into the slot on its left, and the very first element, having nowhere to go, wraps around to the back. So 3, 1, 7, 4, 9, 2 becomes 1, 7, 4, 9, 2, 3. The one thing that would get overwritten is the first element, so we save it in a temporary holder first. Then we slide every element one position to the left, meaning each slot copies the value from its right neighbor. That leaves the last slot free, and we drop our saved first element into it. The whole list has rotated left by 1. We save the first element. Then for each index up to the second last, we copy the value from the right neighbor into the current slot, shifting everyone left. Finally, we place the saved first element into the last slot and return the list. Let's write the shift. Watch the list rotate. Guard the empty list, then save the first element before the shifting overwrites it. Slide everyone one step left by copying each right neighbor into the current slot. The last slot is now free, so we drop the saved first element there and return. Now let's test it and hit run. The 3 has traveled from the front to the back, and everyone else stepped one place left. A short list rotates the same way, and a single element list looks unchanged. We stash the first element, then shift each slot to take its right neighbor until we reach the second last. Finally, we drop the saved value into the last slot and return. We move each element once, so order n time, and we only borrow one temporary holder for the first element, so order one space. 2 things. Save the first element before you start shifting, otherwise it gets overwritten and lost. And stop the loop at the second last index so you never try to read a neighbor past the end of the list.